Here's Vegas Pro version 21, and let's see how to make the entire interface a little bit brighter because most of it is pretty dark. Come here to the options menu, go down to preferences, come up here to display, and here we have dark, medium, light and white. Let's make it white directly and close it with OK. Okay, again you have to restart the program, so close Vegas Pro, restart Vegas Pro 21, and this time it should not be black, the interface, but it should be white as an older program. If you don't want it exactly this white, then let's use a medium one, so options, preferences, display, and let's use medium and close it with OK. OK again, restart program, and now it should not be totally black but a little bit grayish, so you might see something. That's it, it's not totally black, it's a little bit brighter.